Hello guys, so today's session we will discuss about the articles and different cases in German language. So basically we have total four cases. First one for the nominative articles, second one for the accusative articles, and third and fourth both for the nominative and accusative articles. But this both case for the possessive articles. So case 3 and case 4 we will discuss in the next video, but in this video we will discuss about case 1 and case 2 like nominative article and accusative article. So first of all we would like to discuss about nominative article case. So in nominative article we will discuss about masculine, feminine, neutrum and plural form, and bestimmt article, unbestimmt article, Unvereinigung like nine oder kein. So in masculine form we use there, the for the feminine, das for the neutrum, and the for the plural. So in bestimmt article case we use there, the, das, the, there, the, das, the, and unbestimmt article case ein, eine, ein, and plural form is not possible. Ein, eine, ein, and in Vereinigung kein, keine, kein, kein, keine, kein. So here we can see in feminine case we use e at the end of ein and kein, but not use e at the end of masculine form as well as neutrum form. And also in bestimmt article like in plural case we always use the. So we already discussed about the plural case. So now see some examples. For example, their computer. So computer has a their article, Tasha has a the article, auto has a das article, and autos has a the article. So in German language, like every object has a different article, and so we need to memorize that article. So unbestimmt case like ein Computer, eine Tasche, ein Auto. And in negotiation, keine Computer, keine Tasche, kein Auto. So their computer. So it means the computer, die Tasche, the bag, das Auto, the auto, the autos. Cars, like multiple cars. And now we will discuss about the second case for the accusative article. So in accusative case like masculine, feminine, neutrum and plural, we will discuss about bestimmt article, unbestimmt articles, Unvereinigung articles. So here we use in bestimmt article like then for the masculine, the for the feminine, das for the neutrum and the for the plural. So then, the, das, the, then, the, das, the, and unbestimmt article einen, eine, ein, einen, eine, ein, and Vereinigung like keinen, keine, kein, keinen, keine, kein. So here we can see in masculine form we use en at the end of ein and kein, and also in nominative case we use there in masculine form, but here we use then in masculine form, and rest of are same like for the feminine the, for the neutrum das and plural the. So then, the, das, the for the accusative case. So here we see some example like then computer, the Tasche, das Auto, the autos. Einen Computer, eine Tasche, ein Auto. Keinen Computer, keine Tasche, kein Auto. So there are few tips. For example, in both case, nominative and accusative case, masculine will be different, but feminine, neutrum, and plural are same for the all the cases. And also additional tip like nominative case, we will not use en at the end in masculine form, but en will be used at the end in masculine when we talking about the accusative case. So these both are tips for the today. Important information in the video description. There is a link to study resource, material for a deep understanding, and the material for the practice. Feel free to get in touch with us if you have any questions, or if the even exam is coming up and you need a support. You can schedule a free exam practice session with our team. So you need to contact on the info.tglobaleducation@gmail.com. Thanks for the watching video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.